everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's get right into this. So this is a children's microscope. Let's go ahead, go outside and see how it works though. Okay, let's see what we can find today to look at. Oh, there's so much stuff out here. Yeah. What do you think we can look at today?
That's it.
You want to see what that looks like up close?
Stick it like maybe like this.
Oh, look at that. That's cool, huh?
It's all the sour in it.
Oh, cool. There's probably bugs in there, huh?
Yeah. Probably they're sleeping in there.
What else do you think we can find today?
A big flower.
Let's try to look for one. Oh, look. I wonder what that one looks like close. Right there. Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, that's a spider. You want to see all the babies on its back? Look at all the babies. Hold on. So, wait, let me see that. Let me look at all the babies on her back.
So that's all babies that she's on the spot?
Yep. So look at that. Hold on. I just want you guys to see this. Let me see. So that right there is a spider, and those are all babies on her back. How cool is that? But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.